How to draw and send Doodle in Instagram. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to send doodles in Instagram chats. Yep, you can now draw and send your own sketches right inside DMs. It's a fun new feature, so let's dive right in. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version, because this feature is only available on the mobile app, not the browser version. All right. Open Instagram on your phone and go to the chat where you want to send your doodle. Now look at the chat controls at the bottom and tap the plus icon. You'll see a brand new option called Draw. Tap on that and it'll open up the drawing screen. Here's how everything works. At the bottom, you'll find all your color options. That's where you pick the color for your doodle. On the left side, there's a slider that lets you adjust the brush size. And at the top, you'll see different brush types to choose from. So go ahead. Pick your favorite brush, adjust the size, choose your color, and start creating your doodle. Once you're happy with it, tap send and your drawing will go straight to your friend's inbox. The best part? They can reply with their own doodle, so you can go back and forth drawing with each other. It's super fun, and that's it. That's how you use Instagram's new doodle feature in chats. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments.